Canva is a popular graphic design platform that allows users to create a variety of visual content such as social media posts, posters, presentations, and much more. Here are some ways you can make money with Canva. Sell your designs. If you are skilled at creating beautiful designs, you can sell your templates, logos, and other graphics on Canva's marketplace. You can earn a commission every time someone buys your design. Offer design services. You can offer your design services to individuals or businesses looking for custom graphics. You can create unique designs using Canva and charge a fee for your services. Create and sell courses. If you are an expert in using Canva, you can create courses and tutorials on how to use the platform effectively. You can sell your courses on platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare. Affiliate marketing. Canva offers an affiliate program where you can earn a commission by promoting their products to your audience. You can share your affiliate link on social media, your blog, or website. Create print-on-demand products. Canva has integrations with print-on-demand platforms such as Printful, where you can create and sell merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases featuring your designs. You can earn a commission for every sale. Remember that making money with Canva requires time, effort, and skills. It's essential to create high-quality designs and promote your products and services effectively to reach your target audience. Create social media content. You can use Canva to create social media content such as posts, stories, and ads. You can then offer your services to businesses and individuals who need help with their social media presence.